What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It is Simone, and I am back with another bi-weekly video. So this video is going to be for, you already know, gang, Aqua gang. What's up, Aquas? How you? Whoa. Okay, already. Start up and teach me how to love. Not teach me how to love. Start up. Bruh. Oh no. Almost mixed up my cards. But yeah, okay, so with teach me how to love and start up. I just keep reading it like that now because that's how I see it. Teach me how to love, start up. I don't know why I keep trying to break my wrist this way, but fuck it. So either you or someone around you, something around you is starting something new, or trying something new, going somewhere new, experiencing something new, and they may not know how to do it, you know? So they want to be taught, or you are teaching. Let's see. Oh, okay, not the two cards coming out. Not jealousy overnight. What the fuck? Okay, teach me how to love, startup, and then jealousy. I'm gonna turn it around. Jealousy overnight. All right, I'm gonna just, and then not overnight success at the bottom. Whoa, I was about to say, I'm about to just take these 4 cards instead of 3 piles like I normally do, because we already got 4 cards. So I feel like a lot is happening. Like, I feel like, you know how with every success there's a failure? You know, when somebody wins, somebody gotta lose. So I feel like somebody is learning how to win, or they're being taught how to win in any aspect of life, right? You know, love, spirituality, work, whatever. And overnight they're seeing success, or like people, I feel like other people are seeing success, because real success is something or things that are done every day. You know what I'm saying? For that long-term result that people be looking for. Like it's the hours you put in when people don't see you, right? Overnight, literally, like overnight twice. Like whoa, okay. So definitely a lot is happening really fast, Aqua. Like a lot. Teach me how to love and start up. I tried to put that back. Let's see. 2 of Wands reversed, and then the 3 of Pentacles. So the 2 of Wands is a card about choosing. Any 2 that you see in tarot is about, you know, decisions, like needing to do something, or to balance something, or to, you know, 2 of something. So with Wands, it's action, it's travel, it's places to go, things to do, people to see. You know what I'm saying? So with that being in reverse, it's someone not knowing where to go, someone not knowing what to do. You know what I'm saying? Not knowing how to move in this aspect. And then with the 3 of Pentacles, it's a card about balancing. And in traditional tarot, it shows 3 people that are working together. So it's a card about working together. So someone, like I said, either you or someone else or someone around you is learning how to love something. They're learning how to balance something. They're learning how to do something that's new to them that they did not know how to do before. Ooh, and then 5 of Wands at the bottom of the deck. So there's some like conflict going on. It's like an underlining conflict going on, but it's not showing up in the reading yet. So it's like, it may be like tension. It may be like passive aggressiveness. It may be just shit. Jealousy is here. Just jealousy. Like, you know, it could be anything, literally, but it's not our job to figure that out. It's our job to stay focused. So overnight and jealousy. Justice. So someone is trying to balance their head and heart. So, okay, with jealousy being here, let's say the heart is feeling jealous. The heart is feeling like, what the fuck, you know? And then the brain is like, you know, there's no reason to feel like, what the fuck? Like, you know, why not be happy? Why not do this? Or vice versa. You know, it could be anything for anybody. But it's this again, this sense of balancing. So there's balance on both sides, but it's literally in what you choose, you know. So choice is very important right now, Aqua. See, teach me how to love. Doing on time. We're doing excellent on time. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pull overnight success over here, this bottom of the deck, and I'm gonna pull some cards on that because, yeah, overnight success. What's up with that? Nice. 4 of Wands. So this union, this partnership, this working together is bringing in this overnight success. That's awesome. Oh my God. So yeah, Princess of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. And this deck is this girl that's basically pregnant, and she's, you know, she's birthing something. She's starting something. She, boom, start up right there. She's starting something. And I feel like her being a child, like, it's kind of weird now I'm fucking looking at it. She looked like a kid to me. I don't know if she looked like a kid to y'all, like a creepy one. But anyway, she's pregnant, she's starting something, but she's still a child. So it's like this aspect of not knowing, you know what I'm saying? Like, or being young in something, or being new in something. And then having it have this potential that just goes so far, so fast. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, look, I don't even need to clarify this shit. We're going to keep it moving. We're going to get the oracle and wrap this up, okay? Let's see. Advice for Aqua. Advice for Aqua. Ooh, hold your vision. Whatever that is for you. Is that fucking shit I smell? I hope that's not shit. I'm about to investigate. Don't let, oh no, it's too much. This is too much. But let me just mention them. Don't let pride get in your way. Nothing is set in stone. And it's time to release negativity. So that is what I have for you today, Aqua. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, okay? And until next time, you are truly legendary. I love you, and I will see you later.